Hey friends, in this video we will learn about control statements. What are control statements? Control statements are used to control the flow of a program, like how we want that a program should go, what should be the output and how should we will get the output. Like there are four categories of control statement. First is sequence. Like we were doing in our previous video, the sequence starts from top and ends at bottom without any change, without any loop, without any selection. Just a sequence was followed. Now next is selection. Selection says that it will select a part from the statement or from the program, which part should be executed or which part shouldn't be executed. Next is iteration. Iteration means repetition. The repetition of a block of a statement or a particular statement until the condition is false is known as iteration. And next is jumping. Jumping states that it will jump or it will transfer the control at a position where we want to. These are the basics. Theory. Now let us go to a practical part. File, new. Here we will learn about one of the control statement, that is if-else statement. Sorry, only if. Hash include stdio.h hash include new.h void main int a single clear screen printf enter value scanf modulus t comma %a. Now we are using a condition. If a is greater than 7, printf the value slash the value is more than 7. And now get ch, what will be the output? Let me compile it. No error. Control F9. Enter value. Let me enter value 6. There is no output. But if we will enter value 8. The value is more than 7. Control statements start from this point and ends at this. It states that if a is greater than 7, it will execute the part which is within the braces. Else, it will just leave that part and move away from the if statement. Now, if you will write printf semicolon the part other than the control statement, control F9 enter value I have stated 3. What will the output will be only the part that the control that is other than the control statement, that is this part, because it is away from control statement. Now if we want to control F9, if you will give value 8, what will be executed? It will execute the part in the control statement as well as the part outside the control statement. The value is more than 7, the part other than control statement. Now what if we want to enter or to give a different output if it is not greater than 7? We can use here else statement. Else statement can only come after a if statement. If there is no if statement, no else statement can be executed, but if statement can be executed alone. Else, let me write in the else part printf semicolon the value is smaller than 7. Alt F9, whether control F9, I entered 7. The output, the value is smaller than 7, part other than control statement. Okay, I can use here if it is equals to and greater than. If it is greater than equals to control F9, enter value, let it put 8. The value is more than 7, the part other than control statement. It states that if we are entering a value more than 7 or equals to 7, the output will be the if part as well as the statement other than the present after the control statement. Control F9 again, I am entering 3. The value is smaller than 7, it is executing the else statement and the part other than the control statement. So if we will write a value or enter value less than 7, it will execute this part, and if you will write or enter a value equals to or greater more than 7, it will execute this part. Now if what if we want that for a equals to 7, if we want some other output, then if a is greater than 7, then we can use a statement known as else if a is equals to 7. Printer. Value is exact 7. Now how will it execute? First it will check if the value of a is greater than 7. No, a is not. Then it will check if the value is equals to 7. Then it will print the value is exact 7. And if both the values or both the statement here, both the if statement, here I am using, here is an if statement and here is an if statement. If both the if statement are false, then it will simply execute this else part. Let me say it again. First of all, it will check this statement. If this statement is true, it will simply execute this and move out of the control statement. That is, it will move here. Now, if it is false, then it will go to its else part where an if condition is present, and it will check whether this if condition is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, then it will print the value, print that the value is exact 7, and it will go to this part, that is the part other than the control statement. If both the statements are not true, then it will simply execute the else part and then it will print the part other than control statement. Let me run it. Control F9 and give it exact 7. The value is exact 7, part other than the control statement. Now control F9, I am giving a value 8. The value is more than 7. Control F9, I am giving a value 3. The value is smaller than the standard part other than control statement. So control statements, one part, that is if and else statement, is completed. Now we can go further for switch and case. It is similar to it is a type of control statement similar to if else statement, which we will learn in our next video. Thank you.